But this is the
Well, we were in the middle of the lesson that way. Okay, hey folks, I don't know who this is. Zach and Dylan and Macy and Lauren, I think. Is that it? 15, 16, 17, 18. Here we go. Trig functions. 15
basketball player.
is gonna be which rule? Shush. 15 is which rule?
Power.
The power rule. He is just straightforward. We're gonna substitute in what the derivatives are. So for cosecant, what's the derivative of cosecant? Look at your blue sheet. Shh. Shh. Negative cosecant cotangent. So what's the 4 do?
Wait, becomes negative.
Negative 4 cosecant x cotangent x. I don't know. No.
I hope not.
All right. What's the derivative of cotangent? Cosecant squared.
Yeah.
Probably no.
Negative cosecant.
Yeah.
Negative. So it would end up being positive, right? This is negative cosecant squared. So the two negatives make a positive. Positive cosecant squared x. That is his derivative, and there's nothing more you can do unless you want to take cosecant out. That's fine.
I
But I'm just gonna leave it. Okay.
So nothing happens to the 4.
Correct. The 4 is just the 4 is it's like taking the derivative of 4x, right? The 4 stays, right? Okay.
That was a good question.
All right. 16 is the
Or could look at their
quotient rule.
Oh, I hate
finger.
Okay. The quotient rule. So we need f and g, and you boys need to be quiet.
bag.
F prime is the derivative of the top. The derivative of the 5 goes away. What's the derivative of cosine? Shh. What's the derivative of cosine?
Sign.
Negative sign. So since it's negative cosine, it would be positive sign. The 5 is going to go away. So that's the f prime part. G is going to look like this.
Yeah.
He stays. Minus g prime is the derivative of that. What's the derivative of 5?
Nothing.
Gone. The derivative of sine is?
Negative cosine.
Nope, just cosine.
Just cosine. I know it.
Cosine is negative sine.
Yeah.
And then we do this.
Yup.
Okay, and on the bottom is this squared.
Squared.
Okay, we're going to do some funny things.
Wait, we just.
I'm gonna show ya.
Oh, we get rid of
Oh,
the
I'm
5.
slow.
Yeah.
Never
This
mind.
is g prime. Okay? All right, I'm going to distribute this guy through. So this is
No, why you distribute? Why'd you just cross?
5 sine of x plus sine squared
No, because
x.
It's trapped on the top. There's a minus between them.
Okay, there's that.
What the fuck?
And then this is plus minus. I'm going to put the negative with the cosine. So if I distribute him through, this is minus 5 cosine x
I don't like that though.
plus cosine squared x. Okay, there is some funky things that can happen there. Did you know that this sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1? There's a poster somewhere that says, I wish I were a sine squared and you were a cosine squared, so together we could be 1. So these two are going to, these two are going to reduce to be 1. So, and then the rest of that top part I don't think goes away. So we have 5 sine of x minus 5 cosine of x plus 1 over 5 plus sine of x squared.
Cool beans.
Cool beans. That's how I would simplify him.
Write this down. Okay, this is good.
Okay?
Okay. I understand.
All right. You understand. You
I don't
understand.
wanna write this down because I'm just learning and taking.
Even there's contaminants.
Put that in the mental Rolodex car.
It's going in the mental Rolodex because that's a lot of writing.
Okay. All right. The third one. 17.
So, please.
Sine squared x plus cosine squared x. Okay?
This is where the fun begins.
What are we going to do?
Equals 1, right?
Negative
Just one.
cosine.
You could do the product rule if you...
Ain't it just one?
Would
Oh.
you do the power?
Yeah.
Power
Uh-huh.
rule it.
That's
Power.
1.
What?
Cool.
This guy, hold on. This guy is 1.
Nasty.
So the derivative is
0.
0. Okay, but hold on. Let's show you why. I'm going to do it the longhand version.
Okay, it's y.
I'm going to do the longhand version. So here we go. Let's do this.
Nope, it's always
Sine squared of x is sine of x squared. So to do the derivative of that, we have to do the
2 negative.
chain rule, right? And this is cosine of x, the whole thing squared. That's what that means, right? Okay. So now we have to do the chain rule. All right. So if I bring the 2 down in front, 2, leave the inside. 2 the first power times the derivative of the inside, which is,
Negative cosine.
no, what's the derivative of sine?
Cosine.
Cosine. Cosine x.
Negative.
Okay.
Cosine.
Plus.
It-
The derivative of cosine is negative sine.
Negative cosine, negative
Oh,
sine, and then sine,
okay.
right? Or am I?
But you literally have the blue sheet in front of you.
Okay,
Yeah, but I
this
don't
guy,
have-
his derivative, I bring the 2 down in front, the cosine stays. He is now to the first power, and the derivative of cosine is
Negative sine.
negative sine, right?
Says it
Okay,
there on the paper.
So this guy right here, now this is to the first power, right? So I have 2 sine x cosine x, right? This stuff right here, because that's to the first power, this is a negative 2 sine x cosine x if I put them in the same order, and that ends up being 0 because we said sine squared plus cosine squared was 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0, right? So either way we look at it, it will end up checking out. That is why. Beautiful. Thank you for that applause.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, 18. What is that going to be?
Product.
Product. What's your f part?
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x squared. That's f, and then g is this guy.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so product rule. F prime g plus g prime f. Here we go. F prime is the derivative.
Negative 8.
Negative 8x, and then cosine just stays. He's the g part. Okay. G prime was the derivative of cosine.
Negative sign.
Negative sign. Okay. And f is negative 4x squared. Let's just fix him and be done. So negative 8 cosine, negative 8x cosine x. And then this, I have 2 negatives. So plus.
Can it be x squared?
What?
Like negative 8 cosine x squared. No.
No, 'cause
No,
everything-
because this x is trapped inside of the cosine, and this is just a regular x.
Oh,
That make sense?
Why'd you
Yeah,
put
yeah.
the two
Good question.
subtractions under each other?
What are you talking about?
What?
No, I was underlining my subtractions.
Oh.
Because she's like,
What
yeah,
the
both
heck?
Gotcha.
negatives, that
Both
equals
negative,
positive.
right? Both
That's
negatives. Okay. So negative negative makes positive. So this is 4x squared sine x. There we go. Done.
Oh, yeah.
Negative or equal.
Beautiful.
Easy peasy.
Beautiful. That was 18. That was a product rule. Love it.
Is that the last one?
No.
That's the last one. Okay, we're going to do a little bit. Do you guys have a chapter review?
No.
Oh, it's kind of
I thought
hefty.
This was the review, and this was just a review of product PowerPoint.
Yeah, we don't have to review.
Chapter 4 review. Yes, you do.
We're doing
It's
this.
the next thing. We're going to start him. We're going to start him.
Rubber.
Okay.
Just one page.
So if you're watching this, we kind of went over the general consensus because I know that a lot of you guys are gone next week for National FFA. And so my plan as of right now, tomorrow is Friday, by the way. Friday schedule, right?
It's
So
okay,
we have Friday. Well, I know, but it's shortened class periods a little bit, right? So tomorrow's Friday schedule. Monday is like a regular Monday schedule, I think. And then Tuesday, we're going to test over this chapter. We're going to sneak this test in before you guys all leave for National FFA.
Call me question.
Yes, yes.
What chapter are we on?
3.
Yeah, give
2.
me
2.
It's a typo. It's a typo. It's a typo.
Because chapter 4 used to be the old derivative chapter in the old book.
God.
And when I remade this review, I accidentally left it as chapter 4.
We've been
So
going over this chapter 4.
the chapter 4 nonsense,
Yes.
we've definitely discussed this before, but Brady
For a
wasn't
lot
listening.
of
So
time.
anyway. Okay, all right.
We went over it yesterday.
Shall we do a few things on here?
Well,
Let's see if we get through a few. Yeah.
We can do 1 through 4.
Sure, we'll see. We'll see how far we get. Okay. Find the slope of the tangent line. That's saying the derivative. Find the derivative of this function at this point. Okay. So where shall we start?
The point. I don't know.
Plug in -1 for x.
No, I don't want to do that.
Why not?
I forgot how to do this. It was like 3.
Find the derivative at that point. So what do I do first?
Take
Power
the
Plug in a
rule.
point.
No.
Power
Take the
rule.
equation.
Chain rule.
Power rule.
Product rule.
We do the power rule. We do the derivative of this, and then I plug the point in, right? We don't plug the point in until after I take the derivative, right?
Yes.
Okay? Because if I plug -1 into the original, what should I get?
0.
Whatever.
If I plug negative, I should get 5, 6, right? That's not going to get me anywhere. That's just going to tell me what the y coordinate is. Okay, so that's not gonna help me. I need to find the derivative first. So the derivative of this guy. All right, here we go. Whew, we have some fractions. If I take 2 times 2/3, that's like 2 over 1 times 2/3. So 4/3 x to the first power. I don't like the way that this is written. What does this mean?
Negative 1/6x.
-1/6x. So what's the derivative of -1/6x?
Negative
-1/6. The x is going to go away, right? Because the 1 comes down in front. 1 times that. It makes it go away. So that's my derivative. And I'm going to plug in from there. -1. What do we do with the 5, 6? Nothing. If they were asking for the equation of the tangent line, and as soon as I find my m, I would use the x and y to find b, which is I think what we're doing in the next problem. But here they're just saying find the slope of the tangent line. All right, if I plug -1 in here, this becomes -4/3 minus 1/6. Let's find a common denominator. He is
3, 6.
6.
12.
So this is 8, 6. So that is equal to negative.
7, 6.
2
No.
over 3.
6.
2 over
Please
6.
don't be 7.
3 over
Negative
2.
3.
9, 6, which is 3 over 2. Yep.
I just-
Negative 3 over 2. Okay, I'm going to take that. 2 over 3. 8 over 7. I don't know what all else was thrown out.
What happened?
Negative 3/2. I don't know.
6.
Okay, happy with that? Derivative. Plug the point in. Find the slope of the
See,
tangent
I was
line.
confused
Right?
because I thought we had to do the 6-page long essay about it.
Nope, nope. So, number 2 now, find the equation of the tangent line. All right, when you see that on your test, equation of tangent line, the first thing I want you to write down is y equals mx plus b. That way you know what you are trying to find. Equation of tangent line, y equals mx plus b. Okay, what do I find first?
3x squared. Derivative.
Yeah, I find the m, which is the derivative, so 3x squared, and the 1 goes away, and then what do I do?
THER.
Do the math.
What math?
Plug in -1.
Plug in -1, you bet. I'm going to plug -1 in. So 3 times -1 squared is going to be
Negative.
3.
3.
No, just regular 3.
So y equals 3x plus b. How do I find b?
Plug in the point.
Plug in the point. -2 equals 3 times -1 plus b. That's -3. So b is 1. So final answer?
Y equals 3x plus 1.
You betcha. That is the equation of the tangent line, right? The linear equation of the tangent line. That is tangent to this point at -1, -2.
I understand.
Yeah. Wait.
Do we get to use this on the test?
Well,
What?
make your own.
A review or?
No, but I will let you use like the little tiny sheet. Both of them, if you want.
So 3 no, Will Cather was white. Will Cather was
Will
brown.
Cather
Okay, enough about Willow.
All right, we're done with Willow Catherine. All right.
So she was white.
Leave Willow
She
alone.
could
cares
vote.
the color?
Yeah.
Be white.
Okay, all right, we're done.
Fine.
Number 3. In 3 and 4. Okay, let's talk about this word because you're going to get to this word and you're going to be like, I think that word is made up and it's not. Describe the x values at which f is differentiable. What does differentiable mean?
Able to take the derivative.
You're able to take the derivative. So where are you able to take the derivative?
Everywhere but 3.
Everywhere except for 3. Why not?
Because it's a sharp point.
It's a sharp point. You can't find the derivative at a tip because if you're trying to find a tangent, like which one of those is my tangent line, right? I don't have a tangent line, right? So, all reals except x equals 3. That's where you can find the derivative or where he is differentiable.
Can you
On all reals except 3.
You would not difference.
You cannot find the derivative at 3 because it is a tip. Okay? Number 4,
-1.
you cannot find it -1. How's come?
Or no, he's a weird thing.
Because he has va. He doesn't even have values at that point, right? So if he doesn't have a value there, if he's not continuous, you can't find the derivative.
No.
Now, this guy is continuous everywhere, but just because he's continuous everywhere doesn't mean you can take the derivative everywhere, right? If he has a tip, you can't take the derivative. But if he's not continuous, you can't take the derivative of those places. Can I take the derivative everywhere else besides -1? All reals except for
-1.
x equals -1. I'll circle the whole thing. Okay? He is differentiable at every place except for that. Okay?
Can we do that?
Okay, let's do 5 and then maybe, I don't know, what time do we get out of here? We got a lot of time.
We don't.
Yes, we
Yeah,
do.
but people are gone.
Yes, we do.
And
Yes.
it's
There are
gonna be
missing
even
people.
more for them to
Yeah, yeah.
Don't worry about the missing people.
We get out of here.
Okay. Sketch the graph of this thing. What does this thing look like? We just talked about this and he's a V. Moved how so? Up 4
Right to.
and right 2. Okay, right 2, up 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go right 2, up 4. 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's like at a perfect 45-degree angle or 90-degree angle, whatever you want to call it, right? Like that. Okay. Is the function for part A? Is the function continuous at 2?
Yes.
Yes. Is the function differentiable at 2?
No.
No, because it is a sharp turn. We cannot do a derivative at a sharp turn, at a sharp place. Good, good?
Good.
Is there an actual word for like the point where it can't be different?
There is a sharp, there is a name for this kind of a sharp turn. It's called a cusp.
Oh, yeah, we talked about
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Cuspid.
Oh, yeah, we
Cuspid,
talked
a
about
cuspid or a cusp. Yeah, you're on the cusp, right? I don't know that that applies to this right here, but it has to be like two absolute value equations coming together, like a little bird, you know, like the bottom part. That's a cusp. Okay, whatever. Okay.
Let's bring that one back.
All right, should we do a couple of these down below? These are easy. These are power, product, quotient, chain, rule stuff.
Easy.
Okay, I'm just scared we're gonna get to the backside and it's gonna take a little bit longer on
So
Monday.
We should stop.
So then, like, maybe, like, tomorrow we'll finish the backside, but Monday we'll do maybe some, like, whiteboards would be not a bad idea to do with derivatives. Okay, so let's do that. So 6. What, part of the whole problem is figuring out what you are gonna do. What are we gonna do on number 6? Power. Power. Okay, let's do power.
That was really easy.
3x squared minus 22x. By the way, if this is labeled f of x, what do we label our derivative? I get really lazy about this. He is f prime of x. So if you see that notation and they say on the test or something, find f prime of x, don't get confused. That just means find the derivative. Okay?
Okay.
What was that?
Howdy.
I don't
Who
know.
is that?
Okay.
Okay, that was number 6. Number 7. What are we doing to this one?
Power.
Is this still power?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just really gross. Let's write what he looks like. So this is 6x to the 1/2, right? Plus 3x to the 1/3. And he is a power, right? Okay? All right, so the 1/2 comes down. That makes 3x to the negative 1/2 plus 1/3 comes down. 1/3 times 3 is 1x to the negative 2/3. Okay, let's fix him. Okay? Now, just so we're clear, this is its own piece. And this is its own piece, right? So we're not going to try to like shove them all under one, right? Like this guy has a bottom and this guy has a bottom. Clear?
Yes.
Okay? So this guy is 3 over the square root of x
Yeah.
plus 1 over the cubic root of x squared. Yeah, yeah? That's that. Good? Power rule.
Pause real quick.
Yep, I will pause.
Yeah, because she can pause.
There we go.
Good one, Travis.
See, when you ask her nicely, she'll wait.
Yeah.
Don't ask her nicely, she won't.
Number 8.
Could
What
you
shall
please
we do?
unpause?
Ooh, what?
Could you please unpause?
I'm unpaused.
You already
Yes.
unpaused.
Number 8.
It's automatic.
What
Yeah.
shall we do to number 8? Quotient?
Or
I agree.
chain.
I want to do the power, but you're going to do the power wrong. I bet you.
Bring it up. Bring
Okay,
it up and make
alright.
it a negative.
Now here's the problem. What's it going to look like if you bring it up?
2/3 t negative 2.
Oh, like this?
Yep.
Yes. You know what people do wrong most of the time? They bring the 3 with it
How dare they?
to the top. But the 3 stays on the bottom, right? I see that a lot, actually. So this is the correct like fix before we take the derivative, right? Okay, so that's what we want to do. All right, now let's go ahead and move the negative 2 down in front. That becomes negative 4/3 t to the negative
Do you know what I put there,
One.
sir?
Stop sign.
Third. Or 3.
negative 3. Don't forget, you're subtracting, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, now let's fix it again. Put it back down to the bottom. So negative 4 over 3t cubed. Now, if you do the quotient rule, you will end up with that same answer, like eventually, but it'll be a lot like longer.
But, oh well.
So whatever, it's fine.
When you pull me over.
Right? But it's options. You've got options. Okay, number 9. This is a product. Product F G. All right, F prime.
10x.
Whoa, what am I doing that? 10x. Okay, times G is that whole thing. X squared minus 4x minus 6 plus G prime.
2x minus 4.
G prime. 2x minus 4. I got it. Yep. And then 5x squared plus 8. And there's no bottom because it's whatever. Distribute 10x. 10x cubed minus 40x squared minus 60x. Okay, now we got a FOIL. Plus 10x cubed again. Plus 16x minus 20x squared minus 32. Is that true?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Now putting stuff together.
20x cubed.
20x cubed. Got it.
60x squared.
Minus 60x squared. Minus 44x minus 32. Boom. Beautiful.
Bada bing, bada
Love it. Love it. Okay. All right, 2 left and then we'll stop. Number 10 is a quotient.
I like your
boom.
big stuff.
Oh,
Look away!
Someone just flashed.
My shirt didn't come off.
I wasn't even gonna look back there.
I wasn't either until you started like
Yeah, I
like
heard it come
shouting in the back of the
So I
room.
looked over there and he goes, oh my gosh!
Oh Lord, funny, funny, funny. Okay. I'm videotaping. I'm taping right now, so you can hear yourself.
On your sweatshirt.
Dylan, maybe the dumbest stuff doesn't happen. You're just so-
All right, quotient rule. F prime G minus G prime F all over G squared.
That was really cool.
I'm gonna do my G squared first. X squared plus 1 squared.
What?
Okay, F prime is, oh that's nice, 6. X squared plus 1 minus, what's G prime? That's super nice. 2x.
Oh, let's go.
6x minus 5.
It's the little thing.
Boom, it's so nice. Okay, this is 6x squared plus 6. Don't forget plus minus. Joop, joop. Minus 12x squared plus 10x. Okay, moving on. We've got like negative 6x squared plus 10x plus 6 all over x squared plus 1 squared. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Why do you think we're having it though?
Is it you?
Right, but like, what do you think it? Okay, basically.
Okay, hold on. Can it wait? Because I want to hear the story too.
Okay.
Okay. 11.
Wait till.
Chain. Bring the 3 down.
Is there
Leave the inside.
Squared
There's
minus
no
To the
times.
second times
There never was.
2
x squared minus 4. Okay, what should we combine?
The
Oh,
3
are we
and
not
the 2x
derivative?
minus
Are we not
4, the
derivatizing?
x squared minus
Do we not derivative the
Yeah, it
inside?
should be. It should be
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. 2x. You're right. 2x minus 4. I didn't. I said 2x, I think, and then I wrote
2x
x squared.
minus-
Blah, blah, blah.
2x minus 4, so it'd be 6x minus 12.
You betcha. And make sure you put him in parentheses so that he is all being multiplied. And then there's that. And that's 2.
Wow, we're so smart.
Beautiful. There you go. Oh, that was a chain. If you didn't label him, he's a chain. Okay. All right. I know we're a couple days away from a test, like next week. Okay. I said this in the video, but you guys had just walked in. Tuesday. We're taking a test on Tuesday before you guys leave for FFA because you're gonna want to like get this all done.
What are we doing
So there is that.
tomorrow and
The
then?
grandma cut.
Finishing review. We got the second half of this, and then probably whiteboards Monday. Yeah. So there is that. But I would strongly encourage you when you go to take this test, when they ask for the derivative, like strategy, write out which one you're gonna use. Okay, and that will be like super helpful for you. Okay. All right. There you go. Goodbye.
Can you just